Okay, determine whether the table represents a function linear, exponential, or neither. Well, if you take a look at this, this is going down by 20 each time. So I definitely know it's linear, okay, but I've got to find the function. Now, don't forget, this really doesn't have anything to do with the exponential section. What we're looking at is just y equals mx plus b. If it is exponential, we're looking at y equals ab to the x, okay? So I'm going to be looking at this. Let's just erase that. Let's give some space here. Now, I just need to pick a couple of points. So again, let's take a look at, maybe take a look at these two here and think about this row as y. So when y is 90, x is 1 plus b. Okay, remember this is y equals mx plus b. Right, so what do I have from that? I don't know, b equals, you could say that b equals 90 minus m, because that's just 1m, or m equals 90 minus b. Right now, not sure which one to choose, but there we go, okay? Now, how about I pick the this other point, okay? This other point. So when x is 2. Right, we also have 70 equals m. Now then, okay, if I'm going to put, here's what I do, okay? M is 90 minus b, okay? So I'm going to put 90 minus b here, okay? There's m. What was x? Remember up here, x is 2. And again, plus b. So again, this is still y equals mx plus b, okay? Right, so let's just do a distributive law right here. So again, so 70 equals 180 minus 2b plus 1b, okay? So let's do this. Let's do 70 equals 180. So negative 2b plus 1b is negative b. Right, it looks to me like b equals 110. Okay, there we go. Okay, just by rearranging this. Now, if b equals 110, remember what? Here we go. Go back up, right up here, right up here. I've already got an equation for m. So m is 90 minus b. 90 minus 110 equals, remember this is m, equals negative 20. So the function is this. Y equals negative 20x plus 110. And that is the equation of that function. Okay. Now let's take a look at the exponential one. But actually, you've already done this. If you look at the last video, this is just the same thing as last time. All we're going to do is pick a couple of points and put it into y equals ab to the x. So I'll quickly start it off, but we have done this in the previous video. I'll just pick these two here, okay? In other words, 160 and 236, okay? That's all you have to think about, just like I kind of had up here, this as 190 and 270, okay? Right, so again with this, if I plug this into y equals ab to the x, so 60 equals ab to the power 1, okay? So can you see that a equals 60 over b, okay? Right, if we then give an equation for this one, in other words, 36 equals a, but I'm not going to write a, I'm going to write 60 over b, okay? Again, times b to the x, which is 2, okay? Right, now this looks here, this is actually not too bad. These can actually cancel here. Look at this. If I do that, look at that. B squared over b, so 36 equals 60 b, so b equals 36 over 60. Now, I suppose if I wanted to write this, then, oh, by the way, have I found out what a equals? Okay, if that's what b equals, okay, what does a equal? Right, so I found out what b equals. Now, a is 60 over b, remember. So a equals 60 divided by b, which is 36 over 60. When you divide by a fraction, you flip it upside down and it's multiplication. So a equals 60 times 60 over 36. That is 3600 over 36. So a equals 100. So I have a equals 100 and b equals, remember, 36 over 60. There you go.